Pynhap ka Christ College Students Council ya ka program Cultural Fest kabalais ngi kabala sedang nadu khat arteri urisau hadu khat sauteri urisau arjar arpuar dagi program ki ba pher ki ba penphu penphing ya kani ka program. Habakran hagani ka program ka principal jongkani ka college ka Dr. Sister Prafula kala ai khublai kerpang ya ka Students Council kabala pelong ya kani ka program ka ba kerpang kabala penyo lat ru ya ki samla puli jongkani ka college ban penpau ya ki sap ki talent ka ba ki don kala ongru ba kamla ban muddur ba ki khna kin long ki ba start ba ki ba tbet hadu kat ni na kalong ha ka shna jing shna la ni ha ka pulikon hagani ka ski penkut la pelong ru ya ka ramwok ba la jit ru ya ka Miss Ethnic ban Mr Ethnic ar hazar arpuar
Culture is, and then to know more about your culture. And this is a time for you to tell us about your culture. And I want to thank you for all the students for these 3 days exhibiting your talents. Indeed, I never expected that you are so smart, so talented. I was thinking how it will be. I was praying actually. But when I saw your talents, I'm really impressed. Thank you so much for cooperating with us and all the teaching staff for your cooperation, wholehearted participation, and making this day very successful. And now we await to see your talents, and we want to see how you are going to present your tradition to walking the ramp.